Here's how to use the Countdown app. You can see right here, it does not cost any money whatsoever, and you can get it on the Google Play or App Store. I'm going to show you how to do a lock screen using it for your phone. But basically, when you open up the app, you'll be brought to this screen like so. And before we can edit our widgets on our lock screen, you want to click on Create New Countdown here, and you can basically choose the title of the date and time, such as if you have a running race or if you count down for a graduation or something. You can actually choose an emoji just on this page like so. And once you've done your title and emoji, you can see right here we can choose a date. You can change the year, the calendar, whatever you're trying to do, and basically just choose the date. And you can choose it if you only want it to count down weekdays or if you want it to do every single day all the time with this thing. And you can do exact time with this as well if you would like, and you can repeat it every single year if the countdown does expire. But once you've actually created your custom countdown timer, you can see right here we're choosing the colors, etc. You click on the save option right here, and the countdown is actually just on the screen like so. Now you don't have to worry about getting the subscription, but you can see if we swipe down and actually just hold down on our lock screen right here and basically modify it by clicking on the customize feature, you can basically say customize current wallpaper, and you can see right here we can add a widget. How you can do this, you click on add widgets, and you basically want to scroll down until you find this app and simply click on countdown, and you can see right here these are all the countdowns that are currently in existence on this app. And basically you can just click or drag on any of these widgets if you do want to add it to your home screen like so. And you can see right here, once you're done, you click on the add option right here. In doing so, it'll simply save your wallpaper. You can do this for any wallpaper. And as you can see, we've just created our new wallpaper, and it's pretty easy to do. If you want to remove it, you can always just edit the wallpaper once again, or just delete the app and that will remove the widgets. You can add more, but there's a maximum amount unless you get a subscription.